everybody. So I'm back with a new video. I've been trying to upload this video forever, so being that I record on my iPhone, it only holds so much storage on it. But I'm just showing you guys my Daphne unit. This is a custom made unit. I make wig units. I also carry manufactured units as well. Which I just started adding it to my site, but for the most part I make my units because I like for my units to actually fit my head, and as we all know that the manufactured units doesn't always fit correctly. It's always way too big, but yeah, so here I put on my unit here. As you can see, it is glueless. I start making glueless units as well, but you can use glue if you want to, that extra security. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch and see what I'm doing, and I'll come back in a minute and show you all, and we'll talk some more. And right here, I started to attempt to do baby hairs. I cannot do baby hairs on me for anything, but those came out those came out okay, but then I took them away. I didn't want the baby hairs after all. I think I had a little sparsely of baby hairs, but not what I was originally thinking in my head. But again, I can do them on anybody else, like I pictured in my head. But like when I picture mine in my head, I cannot do it. That's crazy, right? But yeah. So right here, I was attempting to do baby hairs, and still, even though I took the baby hairs out, you still molding the wig down to my head. Again, it is glueless, and you just mold it down more to make the wig a snug fit. You'll see. I'll show you guys once I'm done with everything. So I'm gonna go ahead right here, and I started curling my unit. I don't know if you guys can see that I didn't go with the baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and curl the unit. I'm gonna let you guys finish watching the video, and then I will be back for the closing. Okay, so I'm finishing up now. Again, this is my Daphne unit. It's added to my website at hairsewpretti.com. That's hair, SEWPRETTI.com. On the website, it's custom made unit, frontal unit. You can get it in the frontal version, and it's glueless. Again, like I said, I didn't want to put any glue on this particular unit, but you can use glue, if you want to, but you don't have to. So now I'm just finger combing the curls out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I thank you guys so much for watching. And watch till the end. Thanks. Bye.